So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. After that you can see this is search button. Just click on that and then enter your model number which is you require H310 D3 2.0 and then hit enter. Then click on the name of the title. Then click on support. Select the operating system, Windows 10, 7, any. So all the installations process same. So first this is audio driver. Okay, and always try to install latest one. So click to download. It is completed, then open it, then double click to launch. Click on yes. Now this is extracting. It will close automatically, means it's installed. Chipset. So first use this one. Intel manage engines. Download. After that try to this one. Then open it. Double click to launch. Click on yes. Then close it. LAN, Realtek LAN driver. Click to download. Completed. Open it. Internet driver and double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is extract and after that start downloading, installing. Then it is close it. Then VGA. You can see this VGA driver and you can click on this download icon when started. I already downloaded. See 252. Okay. So just open it. Open the Win64. After it, this is installer. So you have to right click to open and then click to run. and then click yes. Then bring install. Then guys, next to install, setup, install. So pre-install, setup, install and done. So you have to just know next to install, and it is completed. After that, restart your system. Thank you.